This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Spacious home with a great floor plan. Large living room flows into a nice dining area. Huge kitchen with an island, a desk, skylight and lots of counter space and storage. Family room is light and bright with walls of windows and skylight. Master suite with large bath including 2 showers. Laundry room with sink, corner lot with a fenced yard and a tool shed with power. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.